So, let's continue restoring this seascape. It's time to remove the canvas from the stretcher. Restoration is a process made up of many different stages, several of which you can see in my previous videos. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any part of the restoration of this wonderful seascape. The wood is so old and hard that removing the nails turns into a real challenge. By the way, if any of you have experience dealing with old nails like this, please leave your suggestion in the comments. This stage also comes with a little bit of suspense. Every time the stretcher starts separating from the canvas, I find myself wondering whether there might be some hidden treasure tucked away behind it. Perhaps 90 years ago, an elegant lady occasionally dropped the ring behind the stretcher or left a note, waiting patiently to be discovered. Sadly, there were no treasures this time. Apart from a generous layer of dust, there was absolutely nothing hiding behind the canvas. The painting itself is not in great condition either. A considerable amount of dirt has accumulated on the surface, so a long and careful cleaning process lies ahead. Although the wood remains remarkably hard, time has still taken its toll. Cracks had developed in several areas of the structure, and these now need to be carefully repaired and reinforced. My goal is to restore its strength and stability so it can once again support the canvas reliably, just as it did many decades ago. This is another slow process that requires patience and close attention to detail. But that's often the nature of restoration. Step by step, carefully removing what doesn't belong, correcting the effects of time, and restoring lost strength, we gradually move closer to revealing the beauty beneath. Well, the stretcher is now repaired and ready to do its job once again. The painting is still holding on to many of its secrets, and we are only beginning to discover what lies beneath the layer of time, dirt, and aged varnish. And now comes the most exciting part, the restoration of this beautiful canvas, painted in the 1930s.